My name is Daliah, and I'm the design manager for Portillo's. It's so exciting to see Portillo's expand in different locations. Our buildings in Chicago have that warehouse look, most of them, and they use Chicago traditional brick. So kind of maintaining that look and that feel of our current locations in Chicago to our expansion in Texas and in Arizona, it was important to kind of maintain that look and texture, but using a more cost-effective and time-effective material like Nichiha. I believe my aha moment with Nichiha was knowing that a product that is so realistic can be also very durable. And I used it originally as an interior, but knowing that I can use it interior and exterior was very helpful when I was designing restaurants because I can get whatever feel and texture I needed with a very durable material. What was unique for us using Nichiha, especially the brick panels, is the texture that even from afar you can see the texture of the brick, but when you come close and you touch it, you also get that experience. And ideally, when you start lighting up the building and you see that texture and that look from afar, it just gives a cohesive look to the entire building. It's been so much fun having the opportunity to use Nichiha on the interior and having so many options with different panels and textures and colors to use on the interior. It's been very durable on the interior, and for cleanability, for flexibility, it has been great on the interior as much as it has for the exterior. With Nichiha, you can actually tie in multiple different finishes in the same facade, installed exactly the same, installed all to joint together, but you still have different perspectives into one corner. The wood texture, of course, my favorite, because it, again, enhances the look of that garage, rustic, old Portillo's look. And then the tough block we use in both locations as the base and the top band. And what's very unique working with Nichiha is that you can pick whatever color you want. So we customized this brown and that beige so it works perfectly between the rough sawn wood brown warm tone and the brick look, and found that middle place where it all kind of works cohesively together. So those are custom colors. It was very easy for our construction team to switch from brick to the Nichiha panels. It was easier to install at any time they preferred. It was faster installation as well. It could be timed at any time in the construction process. We are building very fast, and our timelines switch and sometimes things get delayed. So having the flexibility to install at any time during the construction timeline has been very, very efficient. Relying on Nichiha has been definitely the way we were able to succeed. They walked with us through conceptual design. They helped us understand the details. Communication between Nichiha and our construction team and our install team has been very crucial. Nichiha actually sometimes shows up on site to help us out. Throughout the entire process of design, from conceptual all the way to construction, they are with us every step of the way. And having Nichiha as a partner to help us, if there's any issues on site, if there's issues on installation, they're quick to respond, they're quick to support, they're quick to supply us with anything we need.